Hi, we're going to go on step-by-step instructions on how to retrieve quarterly and yearly reports. On the Payroll website, please enter or select the icon that will go ahead and lead you to the login page. Here on the login page, please enter your username and password that was given to you when we created your account. Once you've entered it, please click Login on the green icon below where it says Login. You'll go ahead and go to Reports, drop down arrow, and click on the quarterly reports. Once you've clicked that, it will go ahead and bring you to the next page. On this page, you will go ahead and view your reports. Please make sure that you've entered the correct year. If not, please enter it. But if you did, hit view on the report you wish to see. And on the yearly reports, it will be the same thing. Go to drop-down reports, click yearly reports, and it will take you to go ahead and view the yearly reports. You can go ahead and select view, make sure again the year is correct, which you wish to see, and you click view. Both quarterly and yearly reports, you go access them the same way. Once you've clicked on view, it will ask you for a passcode, which consists of the last two of your EIN number followed by the first two of your EIN number. Then you can click enter. It will also now ask you for the zip code. This is the zip code you gave us when we set up your account. Once you've gone ahead and entered the zip code, you will go ahead and be able to view, print, access these reports whenever you wish to, and they're available for you any year you wish, whenever you wish to, for audits or your own reference. Hope this was of help to you. Thank you very much.